Hey, what's going on? Kamal here. We're back. Exciting news. We have our Juneteenth shirts in. Juneteenth. Say it with me. Juneteenth. Yeah. With our Black History Month characters all over the tee. All 28 characters. Yeah. From Malcolm X to Muhammad Ali to Oprah Winfrey, LeBron James. We got them all out here. Alright, so check. Today we're having some PC project reviews, some reviews that we got from a couple people that bought a couple projects and gave some feedback as well. So not much. We got their name, where they're from, some feedback on the project and whatnot. So let's see. We have Nancy from Putnam County. I love being able to outsmart my two boys. Mom can use her hands too. Her boys are 6 and 8 years old. Nancy purchased the character pop-up page. It's cool, so you get the color in the small characters, cut them out, and then so check it out. Really, actually, I'll put it up on the page right now. Let me see. Charles from Middletown, New York. I was surprised I got it so fast. 3 days after I ordered it. Yeah, I'm on the job. Yeah, definitely. Better than Amazon. I wouldn't say all that. Charles ordered the Veggie Slime Showdown. Oh yeah, remember that all packages are sold as 3-person packages. So, if you have 3 or more people doing it, then you can also order individual supplies from the website as well, too. So if you just need a glue or 1 ounce glue or something like that, it'll be like $1 on the website. You order it, boom. I'll ship that thing right out to you. No problem. Alright, we have Diane from the Bronx. Cool, BX, throw it up. She had the cardboard cutout project. Oh, she had an issue with it too. Okay. Yeah, so she actually let me know that the cardboard that I sent with the first projects, I had a feeling too, and I'm gonna start going off my gut instinct from now on too. The cardboard I bought was like an 1/8 of an inch, and the other one I had to replace it with. So I did fix the issue. The 1/8 of an inch cardboard was tough to cut with regular scissors, but I got the 1/16 of an inch cardboard now. That one is a lot better to cut through, and a lot easier to use for the kids to cut out as well. It's easier to just cut in, like, those little crevices you got to get into. So thank you for the constructive criticism. This isn't personal. This is business. It's business. So I definitely appreciate you saying that this one was a little tough for my 4-year-old to use, or my 6-year-old, and this was a little easier for so and so to use, and the biggest thing I've been getting back are parents are actually like having like the little girl nights or date nights and things, and actually using PC projects. Like, I don't know, I guess they feel like it's a paint night or paint and sip, but they're actually just using these as a PC project and sip. So somebody ordered them with their 2 girlfriends, and they just had a good old time with the PC project. So I know the slime can be like a stress relief, like a stress ball, but I mean, I can't lie, I do it too. I do little projects and stuff. I'm bored, there's adult coloring books and whatnot that people use. So using PC projects are nothing short of being something that's good for, relieving stress. Thank you for the criticism. Thank you for all the support as well. Buying the projects and having fun with your kids with the projects. I'm popping right now for some reason, but I guess it must be time to go. I do have to go help out another garden as well at 4 o'clock. So I've got 10 minutes to get over there. Let me run. Go and get your Juneteenth shirts too. These things are on sale. Make sure you order them before June 1st so you can get them before Juneteenth, June 19th. Alright? Get that good 2 weeks, so make sure you get your shirts. You know what I'm saying? No troubles at all. Go ahead and order it now. I'll even give you a little 10%. Bing! Little link in the bottom too. Holler! I never really say that in real life.